Do you use web conferencing as part of your sales process? If so, you never want to be that guy. I'll explain more today on Quick Hits. What's up, hitters? This is Brandon Grieve with High Impact Technical Sales, enabling and inspiring you to crush it in technical sales. And hey, if you like this video, please do me a favor and smash the like button below and leave a comment. This helps us spread the word. For the better part of a year now, sales has become a predominantly virtual game. Our world has been turned upside down, and some of us old dogs have had to learn some new tricks. Namely, we've had to embrace tools like Zoom and Webex to conduct our sales meetings online. While the core of our sales process is unchanged, the logistics for conducting meetings certainly has. Meeting virtually is much different than doing so in person. And since remote selling is largely here to stay, even after the pandemic is long gone, we need to ensure that we're conducting our web meetings as professionally as possible. This has inspired me to offer a few web conferencing best practices to help you maintain a high level of professionalism and stand apart from your competitors. We'll talk about the first and one of the most important topics today and cover the rest next week. One of the most common and egregious web conferencing offenses I witness is around audio and video. I hate to tell you folks, but the built-in laptop camera and microphone just aren't cutting it. No one wants to see up your nose. It's not flattering. Not to mention, the quality is seriously lacking. The video is grainy at best, and the audio is often, well, inaudible. Now, you can blow this off and think, hey, everyone else is in the same boat, so it's no big deal. People expect it. Sure, you can think that, but just know that people do notice, and it does reflect upon you. It can, and believe me, it does distract your customers and prevent them from fully hearing your message. Even virtually, we still need to put our best foot forward as a courtesy to our customers and prospects. If you're selling solutions that cost thousands or millions of dollars, it behooves you to make sure that your customers can see and hear you clearly. Spend a couple $100 and buy a decent webcam and microphone. It's an investment that will pay for itself many times over. Well, that's all we have time for today, but hopefully this provides you with some valuable food for thought that you can put into practice today. Stay tuned for next week's Quick Hits, where we'll cover more advice for awesome virtual meetings. Until next time, be enabled, be inspired, and go crush it in technical sales.